Okay, got to get my flux all working again. So this is made over in England. It's the best flux in the world I found. So this thing was been sitting around for a few years, so I had to rehydrate it. Just put water in it, mix it all up. Had to get another brush because it ate the other one in half. This is an acid flux. But this will make soldering metal extremely easy because it works really, really well. It's also very expensive. Alright, so we got our solder over here. We're going to use our solder. 1/8 inch old stuff, 60-40, 40-60. The good stuff. So we're going to solder up our one little small hole here. So we need to try solder from the outside or the inside. I'm going to do it on the inside. So I'm going to hold this in a vise somehow. Make it flat. That's flat. Flat as you can make it anyway. So now we can just heat up a torch, just touch it, boom, we're done. So I got all my different tips out. Usually I'll go down to my 0 tip, my 1 tip, so now I'm going down to my 000 tip. So these are get progressively bigger as you go. So you got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. And there's a 000. This one's a 000 right here. That's a 000. So this is our 1, 2. No, we don't have a 2. We got a 1. We're missing 2. We have 1, 3, 4, 5. We have 0, and we got 000. And then over here we got the rosebud. It's just a big bastard here. It's a big tip. It's really hard to see when you're so close like that. So probably couldn't see a damn thing I was showing you. Anyway, there's your different tips. These are all old Victor stuff. Alright, so we use our smallest one because we don't want much heat. Extremely small. Instead of using a gun, we're going to use a flame. So just make this as small as you can. Your flame. You want a really long tongue on it because you want to be able to control the heat by moving in and out of the flame. Because literally the solder is there and it's gone within about 20 degrees. Okay, so we got our flux right here. Wherever you put the flux, it's going to solder. The solder is going to go to it. So we're just going to put a little small little dab of it right where we want it. Like that. If it doesn't stick, we'll put some more on it. You can see right there, we got just a little dot of it. We're going to heat the cover up with a torch, just get a little heat to it. And then we'll take the solder right here and we'll just dip it right on it and get the hell out. And that should do it. If I do it right. If I don't do it right, it'll just drain all over the place and be a big mess. Then we get to come back and do it again. So it's all about getting it just right. Temperature is very important. Okay, torches are on. Helps turn your gases way down in your torch also. Igniter. So I got to run the rosebud, which is huge. You can't run a lot of pressure on this thing. Turn our pressures down. Okay, I got about 3 pounds on one, about 10 on the other. Way too much right now. I'm getting gassed in here too. Way too much volume. A really small tip. air in here. So they polluted the atmosphere. Open the door up. Okay, we're on a real small tip, so when you hang over it, right on the flame. Won't kill you. It's hot, but it's flying. You can't see shit when you're blowing up. So when you got your hand out here, you can run your flame on it. You see how close you can get to your flame. See how low the flame is. Real small, long tail on that. Not that much there. So we're acetylene rich, oxygen lean. Alright. I'm going to heat from below. So watch the color change. You'll see it melt. Put some more flux on the tip here. To get it high enough where it will actually stick. That didn't work very well. Nothing to wipe it with. Use my wrench. Alright. Figure where the hole is at. Did well where the hole was. Solder away from the hole. Try this again. Where's the hole? Alright. Figure out where the hole's at. It's right there. It's right there. Still hot. Soaked it. Touched the lead to it, it went right to it. See, solder's melting, just laying it on there. Okay, it's pretty hot right now. Take a little water. It's hot. Spit finger. She's warm. You want to move it. Solder's still probably wet. It looks like it's hard, but it probably isn't. It's hard now. Okay, I'm going to lay air on there to cool it. Flame's overrunning the whole time. Okay. Solder in there. Pretty rough. Look on the back side. It's a little rough. I think I need another tool over here. A screwdriver. Make sure I'm not catching anything on fire over there. Okay, we're gonna do the other one now. Same deal. Not hot enough to get the melt. Trying to melt. Don't want it to stick very well. It's melted now. Just doesn't want to stick. It's on there. It don't want to stick. It's not sticking at all. Stuck to the hole, just doesn't want to stick. So I guess we got a chrome issue or something else. Okay, so it's actually on there. Probably is stuck in there. It's soldered, it just doesn't look very good. I like it to stick to something though. So then what we're going to do is we're going to cheat. I'm going to grind it a little bit. Get some fresh metal. See if we get to stick to it. Okay, the whole area is ground now. Flux. Try that again. I'm guessing the chrome is not happy. This might be contaminated, so just melt it away. Clean tip now. That's good. God damn it. That's good. Nice and smooth. I like that better. Wasted 10 times more solder than we used. Okay, so you got a little solder through the hole right there. And then we got a nice little bubble on the top right there, a little small little divot. That's it. So I think that one's good to go. I'm going to redo the other one. There's too much of a big turd on there I don't like. It didn't stick through, so I'm using a screwdriver to push it through. Blow this one up a little bit more so you can see in there what we're doing. That's it. Yep, push a little speck through. The back side there. Not that way, dumbass. So you got a little bubble sticking through right there. And I flatten it out right there. The screwdriver slightly. Put a little spit on there to warm it up. Not much build-up, so you don't have to worry about it hitting on anything. Alright, so that one's all stuck in there good now too. So that should be enough to hold it. Okay, let me clean my mess up.